Every world-changing innovation, successful business, or influential movement begins with a simple idea. But having an idea is just the beginning. The real challenge is execution. Many people come up with brilliant concepts, but only a few manage to bring them to life. So, how do you take an idea and turn it into something that makes an impact? In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step process of transforming an idea into reality, overcoming obstacles, and making a lasting difference in the world. The journey begins with clarity. A vague idea won't take you far. You need to define your vision clearly. What is your idea about? What problem does it solve? Who will benefit from it? Successful ideas often come from identifying gaps in the market, addressing a need, or solving a pressing issue. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to refine and execute your idea. Take some time to research, brainstorm, and validate your concept. Talk to potential users, customers, or experts in the field to get feedback. Sometimes, what seems like a great idea in your mind may need some adjustments to be practical and impactful. Once you have clarity, the next step is planning. Without a strategy, even the best ideas can fade away. Break your vision into smaller, achievable goals. Think about what resources, skills, and time you'll need. Set deadlines and create a roadmap. Planning also involves risk assessment, understanding the potential challenges and how to overcome them. Many people get stuck in the idea phase because they feel overwhelmed. The trick is to start small. Don't aim for perfection on day one, instead, focus on taking the first step. A simple prototype, a draft version, or a test run can give you valuable insights and build momentum. But planning alone won't create impact. You need to take action. This is where most people hesitate. Fear of failure, doubt, and overthinking often prevent ideas from coming to life. The key is to adopt a growth mindset, view mistakes as learning experiences rather than setbacks. Start with a small, actionable step and build on it. If you are working on a business idea, create a minimal viable product, MVP, and test it. If it's a creative project, start sharing your work with a small audience. The more you put yourself out there, the more you learn and improve. Execution is a continuous process of refining, adjusting, and scaling up. Another crucial aspect of turning an idea into impact is resilience. Every journey comes with obstacles, rejections, and failures. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is persistence. Think about the greatest innovators in history. Most of them faced countless failures before achieving success. Thomas Edison, for example, failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. What kept him going? A belief in his vision and the determination to improve. If you hit a roadblock, don't give up. Adapt, refine, and keep moving forward. Seek feedback, learn from mistakes, and adjust your approach accordingly. To truly scale an idea and create lasting impact, you need the right support system. Surround yourself with people who share your vision and can help you bring it to life. Find mentors, collaborate with experts, and network with like-minded individuals. Having the right connections can accelerate your progress. In today's digital world, leveraging social media and online communities can also help spread your idea to a broader audience. Share your journey, engage with people who resonate with your vision, and build a community around your idea. Finally, the last step in turning an idea into impact is sharing it with the world. If you've created something valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Whether it's a product, a message, or a movement, getting it out there is essential for real-world impact. Marketing, storytelling, and communication play a huge role in how your idea is received. Use storytelling to connect emotionally with your audience. Show them why your idea matters and how it can benefit them. Utilize different platforms, social media, websites, podcasts, or public speaking to amplify your message. The more people you reach, the bigger the impact you can create. The world is full of untapped potential, and your idea could be the next big thing. But the only thing standing between an idea and impact is action. Stop waiting for the perfect moment, it doesn't exist. Start today. Take one step, learn from the process, and keep moving forward. Your idea has the power to change lives, inspire people, and make a difference. It's time to turn your vision into reality.